Hi everyone. Today we're going to go back over how to graph a quadratic in standard form. I'm going to go through as if I'm doing the assignment that you're going to be doing today, and this problem that I'm going to do is not one that you will see today, but it's very similar. So if I look at this Khan Academy assignment, it's asking me to graph this standard form equation. I'm going to now go to my document camera and show you how I would do out this math on paper. So I'm going to also graph it on paper. You don't really have to in order to do the problem, but I'm just going to give you an extra visual. The first thing we would do here is we can always first graph our y-intercept, which is our C value. So remember A, B, C. So our A is 4, our B is 8, and our C is 7. So our C value is our y-intercept. So our y-intercept is 0, 7. 7's our C value, so 7's our y-intercept. So I can right away go to my y-intercept and plot a dot on 7. So 2, 4, 6, 7. That's the first point. So if I go back to my Khan Academy screen, I can put this first dot on, I'm actually going to use this one on 7, okay? The reason I'm using this dot instead of the other one is because this one was over here, that's the vertex. So I know that my vertex is not 7, it's my y-intercept. So I'm going to use this dot, okay? That's going on my 7, okay? Now I do need to find the vertex, so I'm going to go back to my paper here. To find the x value of the vertex, we use that formula negative b over 2a, which if I plug in negative b here, it'd be negative 8 over 2 times a. A is 4. So that gives me negative 8 over 8, because 2 times 4 is 8. Negative 8 over 8 is equal to negative 1. So I found that my x value of the vertex, and this is all work to find the vertex. My x value of the vertex is negative 1. I have to find the y value of it. So I'm going to take that original equation, and I'm going to plug in that x value everywhere I see an x. So everywhere I have an x, I'm plugging in a negative 1. This is going to help me find my y value. So negative 1 squared is just a positive 1. 8 times negative 1, that gives me negative 8. And I bring down that plus 7. 4 times 1 is just 4. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Plus 7 is 3. Negative 4 plus 7 is 3. That means that my y value of my vertex is 3. My x value is negative 1. A vertex is always a point, x, y. Okay? So my x value of that vertex is negative 1. My y is 3. So I can go ahead, look at my graph, and plot the point negative 1, 3. So look at my graph over here. My point is negative 1, 3. Okay? Now, remember, the vertex is also your axis of symmetry. So you can mirror image a point on the other side of it. So if this point's 1 point away, I can do 1 point away in the other direction, which makes my 3 points and makes my parabola. Now, if I go back to my Khan Academy assignment, the point I need to plot is that vertex, negative 1, 3. So this needs to be on negative 1, 3. So now I have my parabola. So I'm going to go down. And hit check. Ding, ding, got it correct. Okay. So if you have any questions, first I would suggest you watch the video again from today. There's also the video from last class where I went over this as well. So please make sure before you freak out about this, make sure you watch both videos, okay? Also, I am available on the video chat from 11 to 12. So please make sure that you are coming on the video chat if you need help. Please reach out. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you did not lose power in all this wind. Okay, have a good one.